All right, here's our target for today. I can solve two-step word problems involving all four operations. I will show this by using the RDW process to answer my problem set questions. Now let's break this down like a mathematician. I can solve two-step word problems. So we know all of our problems are going to be kind of like our application problems in the fact that they are story problems. They involve more than just numbers. These are your two word problems. They are each two-step, which means you can't just stop after the first answer you find. You have to keep going. I can solve two-step word problems involving, that's an O and an L, looks like another letter, involving all four operations. The operations we're talking about here are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So you know your work today is going to include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I will show this is how you're going to tell me that you understand, using the RDW process. Read, draw, write. Read, draw, write. The read, draw, write process to answer my problem set questions. So you're going to use the RDW process to answer both of these questions today. That's right, only two. All right? So that's your target for today. That's what we're going to be doing in the videos below, and that's what you're going to be doing on your own. Good luck.